See you in a little bit, Frankie. What's up, guys? Today I decided that I'm going to do some exhaust modifications on the Harley. I got these, I guess you would call them, I think, slip-on mufflers for it, and I've got a pretty good idea on how to set it up, and I've not seen it done on any other bikes. So I figured I would show you guys. I mean, why not? So we'll jump right into it. I'm gonna back the bike up. I'll show you guys what it sounds like. I mean, not stock, but what it sounds like before putting the mufflers on, and then after. I'm going to go ahead and put these old school cocktail shaker mufflers on it. And I'm setting it, like I said, I'm setting it up a little differently than what most people would. I need to figure out how to hold this camera again. But instead of me just blabbing my mouth and all that stuff, I'm going to pull the bike back in. We're going to get the cutting the exhaust and measuring and all that stuff, and we'll get them on. And the cool thing about these is they have baffles that are 100% removable, so I'll probably test both and see which, I guess, exhaust sound, tone, whatever you want to call it, I like better. Ooh, what beautiful beauties. What beauts. What beauts. These things are sick. Love the, I mean, if you can't tell by my motorcycle, absolutely love the old school, like 70s chopper style. And then if you can't tell, this one's bent up. It's a little secret into what might be happening with the new setup on it. So first thing, I'm going to take off these support pieces here. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to need them or not, but I'm just going to take them off so I can mock it up a little easier. Okay, we're gonna line this up, see where I need to cut this. Thinking I'm probably gonna cut this one right here at this bolt for the shock. Cut it down because I think that would be me. Slide it in far enough. Yep, that's what I think. Not even gonna lie, that does kind of look cool. I like the way that looks. But I gotta put these mufflers on now. That's not what we're doing. It's pretty cool. So just so you know, that's what that would look like if you ever thought about doing that. Get the sander and sand that down a little bit. I'm gonna do some work on those pipes. I'll sand it down a little bit, and then I'll pick you guys back up. I might have to do a little gentle persuasion to get this on. Is it on all the way? Yeah, boy! Nice. Hopefully this one goes on a little nicer than the last one. Oh yeah. Kind of feel like those would be better if they were, I don't know if you can see the stud right there, but I feel like that'd be better if they were flipped. Eh, oh well. So that was pretty simple. So I'm going to roll it outside, start it up, do it with the baffles are in right now. So I'm going to roll it out, start it up, and we'll see how it sounds. Woo! She is looking good. Man. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's like a squeak coming from somewhere. I need to figure out where that's coming from. I'm gonna look into that and then I'll get back with you guys. But it sounds pretty dang good right now. I don't know if I'm gonna take the baffles out unless that's what's causing the issue, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know in a little bit. Just took the baffles off. I'm gonna start it up again, see how it sounds, and see if that squeaking went away. So. For those of you that don't know, this is what a baffle looks like. It's pretty much like the inside of a muffler, well, obviously, but it's just so that it diffuses the air and slows it down so it's not as loud. I don't know if that's right. I could be looking like an idiot, but this is what they look like. Pretty sure that's what it was. The baffle was the one that was squeaking. I don't know if it was not tight enough or what, but woo mama. She's looking good. Alright, so I'm gonna button it up, get everything put back in the garage. I might take a look at the support pieces on the back. If you saw the studs, I don't know if you can see it. There's studs right here. So those studs, sorry if that was too loud. Those studs are what these at the beginning attached to. And they're just support pieces. So I'm gonna see if I can possibly use one of these just to hold it. I'll probably have to drill another hole, but I'm gonna see if these will work. Now, got this piece, I get it to focus. Focus. Alright, I got this piece modified, drilled some holes, filed it down. It's probably not the prettiest thing in the world, but it works. So we're gonna get it put on. Well, guys, I think I got it. Looks, I think it looks pretty sick. I like the old school, just, I don't know, upswept exhaust. I'm hoping that that piece, the little piece that I put in there for support, I hope it is doing something, because I kind of don't like the way it looks, but I'm really hoping that it is functional, which I think it is, but I guess we'll see. I might mess around with it whenever it gets nice out to ride again, because I don't know if you can see, we got dark clouds coming in, so I'm definitely not riding today, and it's getting cooler here in Ohio. So, like I said, I'll see after a ride to see if it actually does something, and I'll mess around with it, possibly pop it off, see the differences and whatnot. But now it's really starting to get windy, so but hopefully this was a pretty interesting, quick little video. It's getting, getting really windy out there. But hopefully this was just a nice, quick little video for you guys. I've been wanting to do that for a while, and I'm glad that I finally did. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please like. I don't know if liking does anything with the videos, but if you want to like, go ahead and like. Share the video, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want to do. It's greatly appreciated. And as always, if you aren't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Helps me out more than you think. I mean, you guys know how YouTube works. So if you have anything that you'd like to see in the future, go ahead and comment below. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.